is something very amazing. See how this giant machine works. Wow. In this part, cement or concrete is mixed, and then it was poured in that part. And see, this crane is also at work. See, some liquid is coming out of this, and it has been collected in this bin. Such kind of barricade ways are prepared in Germany when construction work is going on, and that is the toilet. This blue one is toilet, and see, they created a special barricade way for kids and pedestrians. The foundation is made. You see, in other machine the cement was mixed, and now the foundation is created. See, the foundation is created. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.